again, as UDA, we are not even worried about the united opposition. My brother Kaguya, we are not worried about your united opposition. We are worried about a possibility of a third force, a combination of the likes of Babu, Kindiki, Ndindi Nyoro, the likes of Natembeya, Winnie Odinga, and the Super Senator Sifuna. Those are the people we are worried about. Their combination is not only lethal, but is actually a potential game changer in the Kenya politics. And I think they should hold their horses and wait for 2032.
Too much discomfort.
2032. They make us very uncomfortable. You know, in 2019, I think you remember, it was in 2018, I predicted that the first Luo president will be Babu. Of course, that time people thought Raila will win the election. May his soul rest in peace. But in 2018, I knew and I predicted, the way I saw Babu, that he will be, not may. And that is a prophecy.
You still stand by that?
He will be. I still stand by that. That he will be the first Luo president in Kenya.